The black skimmer has a truly unique bill among shorebirds and really among all North American birds. The bill is large yet very thin, and the lower mandible extends out past the upper mandible. These features make it ideal for how this bird catches food. As it flies, it dips the lower mandible into the water, skimming for fish. The razor-thin bill, described as almost laterally knife-like in shape, one can slice through the water and, when it senses a fish, snaps the upper mandible down onto it. The skimmer is the only bird species in North and South America with such a foraging technique. The rhinoceros hornbill has a name as impressive as its unbelievable bill. Atop its bill is a feature called a casque, which has a striking upward curve like a rhino horn, hence the bird's common name. The strong bill is used for reaching fruit from thin tree branches, and that impressive casque, made from keratin, is used as a resonating chamber to amplify the bird's loud calls. This bird can only be found in peninsular Malaysia as well as the islands of Java, Borneo, and Sumatra. It's easy to guess how this bird got its common name. The roseate spoonbill is one of several species of spoonbill, all of which sport this uniquely shaped bill. It feeds in shallow fresh and coastal waters, walking while moving the bill from side to side. It uses its beak to strain small food items from water such as crustaceans, aquatic insects, and small fish. It's believed that the bird gets its rosy coloring from pigments in the crustaceans that it eats. These birds can be found in marshy areas of Florida and the Gulf Coast, where their populations are recovering after years of overhunting. The red crossbill sports a bill that would be viewed as a deformity in most other finch species, but for this species, it is the perfect way to get at its primary food source, the seeds held within pine cones. Even tightly closed cones can be accessed thanks to the unusual shape of its bill. The bird places the tips of the bill under a cone scale and bites down, which pushes the scale up and exposes the seed. These birds tend to live in mountainous conifer and boreal forests. Name has a rather obvious source. This stork-like bird has a bill shaped like a large shoe, which is the bird's most notable feature. The sharp edges of the mandibles help the shoebill kill its fishy prey and also discard vegetation caught along the way. It also has a sharp hook at the tip, making it possible for the bird to grip, crush, and pierce prey all at once. In other words, this bird is as tough as it looks. It lives in swamps in Africa and is considered a relative of the pelican and heron. Sometimes it clatters its bill to communicate with others.